Welcome to part 1 of designing a user profile mobile screen. In this part, we are going to do some research and design a low fidelity of our main layout. So if you are interested, stay with me to design it together. Hi guys, my name is Amir Asadi and I'm a product designer. In this channel, we talk about user experience of digital products, such as mobile apps and websites. So if you are a fan of this kind of videos, hit the subscribe button and be around. I found my images from Dribbble that I want to design something like them, and also I already bring these frames here into my design from Material Tree Design Kit. Press A to select the frame, go to phone section and iPhone 14 Pro. Press R to rename it, mainframe. Press A to draw a frame. Press O to draw a circle. Press Shift to make it perfect. Alt H to bring it to center. Ctrl D to duplicate these frames. I want to add a grid, columns, give them all border radius 16. Okay guys, this is a picture section and name and subtitle and 2 sections for information and inputs and our main navigation. Hey, good job! Our job is done in this part of video. Thanks for being with me and watch this video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed that, please like this video. Have fun and goodbye.